Fresh incidents of firing were reported from the eastern side of Ukhrul district on Sunday evening, triggering panic among residents a day after Thawai village authority opposed entry of security forces into its jurisdiction. According to Ukhrul Times, simultaneous firing broke out in Thawai and nearby Sharkaphung villages around 6:20 p.m. A thermal drone was reportedly sighted over Thawai village during the initial phase, while over 100 rounds were said to have been fired in Thawai, with comparatively lesser firing in Sharkaphung. After a brief lull, intense gunfire resumed around 8:30 p.m. and again at approximately 9:30 p.m., with later rounds reportedly directed from the direction of Shangkai village towards Thawai. Another round of firing occurred around 10 p.m., to which village volunteers responded. Firing from both sides was again reported from as early as 5 a.m. on Monday and continued till the time of filing this report, indicating tense situation in Litan area despite the presence of security forces. Sources also reported automatic rifle fire from the direction of Manipur village around 11:15 a.m. Meanwhile, Thawai village authority has reiterated its decision to bar entry of security forces, citing alleged unjust treatment and failure to address the presence of illegal Kuki immigrants involved in unlawful activities. Security personnel, including Manipur Police and Rapid Action Force (RAF), have been deployed in Thawai, though no reports have confirmed their entry into Shangkai village, from where multiple rounds of firing were reported. The situation remains volatile, with the stretch of National Highway 202 between Shangkai and Manipur villages spanning nearly 10 kilometers, while remaining completely shut. Further updates are still awaited.
Cặp tầng này có nhiễm sao đấy? Ôi. Mất thêm nhiều hôm thay ra.